Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode, you know, I'll even give you a packet of cheesy biscuits. You're not actually booked in here because it's full.
Yeah.
But we're just going to pretend that you're someone else. Joe.
Yeah.
It's raining. Are you nervous?
Petrified.
Basically, the Psychic's bike's lost power. Well, you know this is going to be good. So let's get into it. Cue the intro. So, Jack, you have actually been here since last night. You arrived pretty much in the middle of the night. We all heard you coming. But you came originally just to show a bit of support, and we kind of talked you into giving the Strata Florida a go. Now, your bike looks like the most off-road bike here because of that front part. Yeah. Forget the rest. So you should do really well.
I think the minute or two that I'm going to be on Strata Florida, I'll do really well, and then I'm going to chicken out. So if you're watching at home, take your guesses how long I'd last.
I reckon you're going to do it. I reckon you're suddenly going to just gun it.
Suddenly feel brave, but it's pretty miserable today.
Well, the thing of it is, your bike's nice, clean in this state. So at least if you get a bit of mud on it, we can always edit it, and then you can just meet it at the end.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So, look forward to seeing you as we do this, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully you'll hang around long enough. We'll give it a go. You've just arrived.
I certainly have.
You're not actually booked in here because it's full.
Yeah.
But we're just going to pretend that you're someone else.
We're just winging it.
It's going to work. It's peeing it down with rain.
It certainly is.
We're about to do the most dangerous trail in the world.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
No.
No, I'm not either.
But I'm going to have to be.
Well, thank you for coming, and let's jump on our bikes and let's just try to live.
Let's try and do this thing, yeah.
And just remember, you are my hero. So I'm waiting to be saved a few times today.
Someone's going to save me. I've even got a sticker still on my bike, look, on the windscreen. It's that brand new.
Wow, look at that. And you've put on big bloody tyres. Yeah. Not like you've done knobbled. I've done nothing to mine. Crash. This is everything you should do before you're about to do the Strata Florida. Joe.
Yeah.
It's raining. Are you nervous?
Petrified.
Your bike's clean, shiny new. It's not going to be. Are you nervous?
No.
Are you nervous?
Absolutely yes. I can't wait to chicken out.
And are you nervous?
Absolutely.
Well, I'm the only one who's not nervous in any way whatsoever. So, it's now the next day, and to tell you what, it was a good night's sleep. I had a few beers and I slept pretty well. But now we're going to head off, maybe get something to eat, and head off to do the Strata Florida. But of course, the Bonneville is here, and it used to be mine. And obviously the Works channel's made it really, really, really sexy and cool. Obviously mine was cooler, but it made it really cool and sexy. Now, Joe, I only got one little favour to ask. Will you let me take your how many hours you've spent on it bike to make it look like that? Yeah. Let me have a ride.
Where?
Just take it for a little bit of a spin, just a little bit of a ride, give it a little bit of beans.
Nah. Don't think so.
You know you want to.
I don't.
You know, I'll even give you a packet of cheesy biscuits.
Do you know how many hours I spent on that?
What, like 2 or 3?
No, about 200.
Yeah, but it used to be mine, so it's kind of the same thing.
Is it?
Is it a definite no?
Not for me. No, no.
No?
No.
Well, here we go. Work scrambler. Fucking how tall is that? I'll be back in a minute. You can do it. So, I'm on the Works bike, the Triumph, and he's obviously made it into the Scrambler, and I've got to say, It's really fruity, like there's so much torque.
What, fruity?
Yeah, man, it is
Really fruity.
really fruity, and it feels sexy, and I feel sexy, and I'm a bit worried that you're going to want to kiss me after this.
No, there's no chance of that, don't worry.
Oh, that is silky nice.
Oh, this is wet.
Well, it's because I'm, mate, riding this. It's making you wet. But yeah, I've got to say, he's done an incredible job.
It looks lovely. It looks really nice. Sounds good as well.
Yeah, I like it. It's going to get a thumbs up from me. Is that what they say? Thumbs up?
I think so.
Or golden buzzer?
The golden buzzer.
Yeah, golden buzzer.
What, straight through?
Straight through to the final.
Oh,
yeah.
these tyres.
Dude, you're all over the place. So yeah, I'm dead impressed with this. It's nice. It's got plenty of oomph. I don't want to give it too much because the road's obviously absolutely soaking. Now the thing is, he's about to go and do the Strata Florida on this, right? And it looks like a scrambler, but you know this is going to be quite a heavy beast around there.
Yeah, I think he might struggle a little bit. Mainly because he doesn't want to damage it, so...
To be fair, I want to keep it again. Now, you got to look at the original rules. I owned it, he bought it from me, right?
Yeah.
If I get rid of that video and cut out the point that he actually bought it, in theory I could just have it back and say he nicked it.
You reckon?
No, but I could give it a go. I wouldn't mind it. I would say if I'd built this, I'd be really proud.
If you built that, the wheels would probably fall off.
No, it would be like 11 out of 10, mate. I literally do have duct tape in my back box to tape stuff back on the bike when I've done it. So I'm pretty sure if I did it, it'd have a lot of duct tape on it, but it would still work.
Yeah, possibly. And I had the cable ties.
But yeah, even the finish, I like it. The bars, the position. I reckon I'm going to, yeah, this is one of those ones you'd put up on the wall in the garage with the picture of the lady with the boobies. This would probably go next to that, to be fair. Very nice indeed. Anyway,
watch where I'm going.
We're off to do the Strata Florida. We're going to grab some food first, but you've got to admit, this has rained like since last night.
Yeah, and it's not looking good. And that's where we come out down there somewhere, so because that's Strata Abbey.
Okay,
so we're going to the other end.
And then the other side of it is that we have said, to be fair, that we'll send you in first, and if it looks too dangerous,
you're all turning around and leaving me.
We're all going to turn around and go. Yeah. I think the truth of this is that as much as we're going to want to do this, if it is that dangerous, we're going to have to call it a day. So I think it might end up being we attempt not to die in Strata Florida in heavy rain as a title, and we'll probably just do about 2 minutes of it and turn around.
Well, we've still got plenty of beers left, haven't we? So we can go back and drink some beer.
That's true. Oh yeah, we've got another 12 cans, and it's only 3 of us, I believe, tonight.
Yeah.
So,
well, we're going to give it a go, aren't we? But I mean, it has rained, like you said, it's rained, and it's not looking good.
No, it's looking worse and worse and worse. Your app constantly said it's going to get lovely.
Well, I didn't say lovely, but
no, you said lovely. Ladies in bikinis. You said it's going to be beautiful.
It's going to ease off. But I don't know. Might be wrong. This isn't looking.
Can you give this bike a little bit of beans? You ready? Oh, what's that? A big puddle?
Yeah. I'm not confident with these tyres on tarmac in the wet.
Well, you at least you'll be better off road.
Yeah.
This bike. Oh, can you hear that?
What?
Oh, it just sounds so sweet. Sorry, I'm still having a little bit of a session on it. Do you think if it goes back to him with stains on, he won't want it and I can keep it?
Is he going to have to wipe your DNA off it when you're done with it?
Well, he'll have my DNA all over it, mate. I've already twice.
Ugh.
I think one thing today, mate, is those man hugs. We're going to have a few, I think, and help each other.
Yeah, I think you're right.
We've got our hero with us, so potentially
he can save the day.
I think he might have to save us a few times. I brought everything but my waterproof gloves.
Yeah, I brought 2 of everything so we can get wet and then go out later, but I forgot to bring extra gloves.
Yeah, me too. Never mind. Right, let's go and get some food.
Yeah.
And then let's go and risk our lives. Well, we've just had some food and we're all feeling full. We've gone back out to our bikes and there's another moment now where the psychic wishes that he brought a monkey. Basically, the psychic's bike's lost power.
Well, it's not starting.
And it won't start. Do you feel like you should have bought a monkey?
No.
Are you getting angry?
Yes.
Do you want a cuddle?
No.
Do you not like me very much?
No.
Is it my fault?
Yes. Quite clearly your fault.
Does anyone else know the way to Strata, Florida? We might have to come up with a backup plan. You can go on the back of Jack's. Well, you can see the Sidekicks bike is actually now working. It's running. Do you want to explain what happened, and then we'll explain why there's now only 3 of us?
Well, obviously we had some breakfast, went back out to the bike, and it wouldn't start. No ignition, no anything. So a very kind man helped us out, and we found out that for some reason it's popping fuses. So at the minute it's running, we've got some spare fuses, and we're just going to go and see how far we get.
Yeah, so we're going to now head to the Strata, Florida. Now, obviously we had the Works channel, and we had another hipster with us, and the Works channel, and obviously if it's going to attempt some of the route, etc, etc, etc. But unfortunately, because since then many hours have passed, they've only booked for one night, and they've decided they've finally given up waiting for you, and they've gone home. So do you feel really bad?
Not really, no.
Oh. They've travelled hundreds of miles.
Well, you know, they should have booked for longer, shouldn't they? Let's be honest.
You're a harsh man.
I know. I'm feeling a bit grouchy at the minute because the bike's playing up, but we've come all this way, so.
Well, that's it, isn't it? That's the point. At the end of the day, we have come all this way to tackle the Strata, Florida, or Strata, Florida. And the thing of it is, we don't want to give up. We want to give it a go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to head there to the start. And again, it has been raining continuously. It is proper soggy, and it's going to be proper mental and dangerous. So we're about to tackle the most dangerous ride of our lives.
Yes.
Oh, I'm pooing myself.
Oh, so am I.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all.